Something really strange in English is that there are certain words where, depending on if we're using them as a noun or a verb, we pronounce them completely differently, even though they're written in the exact same way. So an example of this would be object. So when we pronounce the word object, like I just did, where we put the stress on the first syllable, object, then we are talking about the noun. But if we say object, where we put the stress on the second syllable, we're using a verb. So I object to that object. Another example like this would be with subject. So subject is the noun and subject is the verb. And the last one I would say that's kind of close is produce. Produce, which means our fruits and vegetables, versus produce, which is to create something. So tricky English, but fun to practice.